This is an acceleration test with the trailer behind me. Welcome back, channel. Terry here. This is a long distance towing video for 5th Gen 4Runners. You can see behind me, that's our 2020 Rocket 3 GT. We're taking it down for some motorcycle riding on A1A and Daytona Bike Week. That's a relief in Tennessee. I am covering good ground. In terms of towing, 5th Gen 4Runner is pretty good at speeds between 65 and 70 miles an hour. Here is a tanker truck pass. I'm locked in at 67 miles an hour. This guy just merged on the freeway. My lane distance alert went off and I'll cut back over at 67. Wanted to show you guys a pass with a trailer on a 5th Gen 4Runner. I have an arrival at 10:35 tonight at this current pace. Okay, first gas stop, gonna get just over half a tank of gas, and you can see here the bike is towing really well. It's strapped in really well. And here I got a bag of ice for the cooler I've got here, and this long neck on the trailer lets the tailgate open. We've got a bag of ice for our drinks. This is just a money saving move on my part. So let me move this. You can see all the packing I did, and I'm just, you can see our drinks right there. All right, got ice, topped off the gas tank, and it is really cold. It's 30 degrees. Okay, all right, this is an acceleration test with the trailer behind me. Hit the turn signal and it's fine. For a light trailer and a motorcycle, I give the 5th Gen 4Runner very high marks, and I've got good power here merging onto the freeway. A lot of rain in Kentucky and Tennessee, so I guess I'll have to wash it. Appreciate you guys watching our long distance tow demo on our 4Runner. It was all done in 2 high. Guys, if you're interested, I'm chirping about this on my videos. There's a Patreon. You can become a Patreon for our channel. As you know, we're on our way down to Daytona Bike Week. I check in tomorrow. I made better progress than I thought. Driving into the Flagler Beach area, if I see an opportunity to stop somewhere and just wash my bike, I'll do it on my way in so I can offload and ride up A1A on Saturday to downtown Daytona. Start checking out Bike Week. Thanks for watching this episode. If you're new here, again, these are the kinds of things we do. Guys, thanks for watching this episode. Remember to do the best you can. If you get knocked down, get right back up. Life's not fair. Have empathy for other folks. Until next episode, we'll see you guys.